For over 25 years, you've heard me give home improvement tips, and this one is a no-brainer. Hi, I'm Bruce Morris, and I want to recommend American Window Film for any of your windows or doors in your homes or offices. Why? Because they know the right tint film product to put on your glazing. Now, why is this important? Well, a lot of these window films can do a number of things. One, it can cut out the heat that comes in, but it also stops the fading and damage that it can cause to not only your carpeting and floors, but also any paintings, any products that might be in the window area, where the sunlight comes in. Now, what's important about these films, when you do apply it, you can't just put any film on some of these insulated glass products. If you put the wrong film on and it creates too much heat, it can actually damage the seal and the glass can fog up. So American Window Film selects the right product to go on there so you don't have a problem. They also warranty it. Another nice feature is it acts as a safety film, and they actually have some specific safety films. That is, if a glass gets broken by a tree during a storm or something like that, it doesn't shatter the window. It doesn't all come down in one piece. So this door back here, I just had a new one put in because the old one was rotted out, too much damage on it, and we upgraded it. And I'm applying the new film to it because it's like putting sunglasses on my windows in here. Well, I'm Bruce Morris, and I hope that tip is good for you. Select American Window Film next time you're looking to cool your house down.